My company is around 19,000 square meter, and it's built up in steps here. When I bought it from 9 years ago, it was like 14,000 meter, and we built a new glass here 2017, like we are in now, for 1 hectare. And this is more or less built for light, so that's we start with Highwire. I started to grow Highwire in 2014 because the quality on the fruits also is much better, and also preparing for the next step here to put in lights in the future. In this greenhouse we are in now, we started with lights 2015, and we installed 160 watt per square meter in the top and 90 watts between lights in the light. For the Highwire crops, we are normally doing 3 to 4 crops per year, and you can have a crop in 3 to 4 months then, depending on how beating up it will be and temperature-wise and so on. To grow Highwire with lights is the perfect combination because you have much better climate. The head of the plant get warm. You don't have problem with mycospirella and so on. In this house also we have an automatic lowering system. It means that you have about 60 meters on a roll up, and you can lower the whole line in one shot. This means also that it has to be the very even temperature in the greenhouse, because otherwise the plant grow much more in the other end than here. The main challenges I think in the Highwire crop is to find also varieties who fits you, who you can grow, because it's easy to find. All seed companies said you're gonna buy this is a good variety for you, but you need to learn how to grow this variety. You don't do that in one crop. You maybe need 2 or 3 crops but to find out that this is good for you. I used to grow tomatoes before, so the step into to grow Highwire cucumber maybe is not too far, but it's still much tougher than to grow tomatoes, because these plants grow 65 up to 75 centimeters per week in the summertime, and the tomatoes maybe did 25. So it's a much bigger challenge. Yeah, and the development of the Highwire in Sweden it's almost zero for the moment, because I'm one of the growers. I think we are 2 growers in Sweden who grow Highwire, and it's you can ask yourself why nobody else going there, but you need lights also. Like I said before, it's hard to grow Highwire without lights. So if you are not a light grower, you don't go there really, the first. I think the market will be there for the winter production, but it's a dangerous way to go if you don't have a fixed price in the winter time. In Sweden, normally we have the auction here, but it could be dangerous to go out on auction, because I know where the limits are, how much you need for your cucumbers. And if you don't reach this, it could be a very dangerous step to go. Investment is sky high to put in lights, and you need to know what you get in the end.